When the storm ended, a heavyweight dictionary, a noble thesaurus, and a patchwork of literary classics honored the grey powdered shore. In the distance arose a glistening watermelon mountain. The peak juggled clouds, and cliffs of pink sun, crisscrossed with darker ravines, appeared to mock the boy. Gathering as many of the volumes he could carry into a mule sack, he ran. He intended to climb the mountain. He would run until his legs became squishy. Then he would sit and study until his brain boiled like cauliflower. Then he'd sprint until his feet became anchors. And then he would read. The books fed him verbs, adjectives, nouns, and prepositions. And every day, the boy took a bite from the watermelon mountain, and it became smaller. At times, he hated the journey. It challenged him and threw down obstacles at each step. A cliff face, a waterfall, a ravenous beast. The boy felt that the mountain did not want to be climbed, and the cycle repeated until he came to a featureless, open country. He had read the books but had not reached the top of the watermelon mountain. The boy met others gathered on the plain, survivors of the storm, who had also read the books the sea had bestowed upon them. The readers resolved to work together and share their knowledge, and they vowed to take a step each day to reach the mountain summit. It took them a long time. More frightful creatures stood in their way. Torrential rains transformed the mountainside into a mountain slide. They never gave up. And one day, as the sun hit its highest arc, they arrived at the peak, where they collapsed into a mountain of people. When they'd recovered, each looked back to the ocean shore where they'd begun their journey and asked the watermelon mountain why it had mocked them. No, it replied. I goaded, motivated, incited, a shot in the arm. I wanted you to succeed. I challenged you. And now you have grown. And I am a mountain no more.